Hey guys, Jay Massey here and welcome back to the channel. One of the benefits that our students receive is occasionally I'll go through their listings and actually give them some pointers, some tips, some ideas on how to increase their revenue or increase their occupancy or decrease attracting the individuals that you don't want. I mean, because at the end of the day, that listing, that customer acquisition channel that you're using, how you describe it, how the photos look, and all the little details, that's your salesperson. And you want that salesperson to be well-trained, well-tuned, and to be attracting and closing the type of business that you absolutely need. So in this video, you're going to get to see me do that exactly for one of our students. Let's go to this one, last one, and then we'll get back to you guys. Okay, almost there. Back up a little bit more. I want to see the front part of the bed too, and come down. Too much ceiling, and you really have a serious headboard right there, and those are some seriously long lamps. But hey, you know, that's a design choice, which I don't necessarily agree with. Okay, this looks, I'm getting the rented furniture feeling right now, and that's not good. And again, you got fuzzy, out of focus photos. I don't see any toiletry kits. I'm not seeing any towels. You're hiding the shower. It's out of focus. Okay, take this out. I'm pretty positive you don't have the rights to use this logo in your photos. And yeah, stay away from doing this. Stay all kinds of away from whomever this is. Again, I don't know. I just pull up the thing. Stay away from all. Yeah, you don't need this shot. Okay, and that doesn't really help you. Okay, I think this picture is actually crooked, and I'm really questioning your design right now, because it just doesn't feel cohesive. It just feels like, okay, what's the minimal I can do and still get away with it? Don't put any shots with this orientation. They all should be landscape. So just get rid of that one. Okay, you've already told us this story, so we don't need another one. And again, we have a focus issue, no superimposition on the television. Okay, that's neat, but it doesn't tell me about the experience very much, other than that you're in Texas. Okay, so you're still using August locks. You're going to have an issue as you scale. That's all I'm going to say. And you're going to get tired of changing the batteries, and your guests are going to have more trouble with it. The customer experience, I mean, I used to have all of our locations with August locks, so I understand. Vivint is a much more user-friendly option. Okay, hide your cords. That's an interesting piece of, I don't know what that is. I would want it to be a different color if you're going to, like, if this isn't going to become an accent wall, or if this was an accent wall, this thing being white would be great. But because the wall is white and this is white, it just seems strange to me. Don't need that shot. I'm not sure what you're trying to tell me with this shot. Okay, I guess. You've already told me this. Okay, that's cool, but take it straight on. I don't need that shot. That's not bad. Don't need, again, you got the orientation. Don't do that. You've actually already told us this, but this is the best version of this story that you've told us. Okay, that's not bad. I'm all right with that. Okay, I guess. You don't need all, yes, there you go. See, that shot, this one shot right here says the same thing as this one and this one and that one. So you could literally just leave that one. Ah, yes, perfect. Telling me what's in the kitchen, showing me what you got. I like it. Eliminating questions. This shot is just technically wrong because you have so much white and it's daytime and it's hard for everything, just looks it's overexposed in all kinds of areas. And that's part of the challenge with this one. So I'd actually remove it for now. Same with that one. Same with that one. Okay, not bad. I like it. Although I wish you would have been further back. You've already told me that. You've already said that. You don't need that. I think you probably should be using a king size bed. This angle is making the bed look really, really small. Oh, decent closet shot. Is this a safety hazard over here? I don't really know what that is, but it looks like loose electrical wires. I like what you've got going on though. That works. No toiletry kits. And again, your toilet roll is all kind of squished and weird over here. No towels. And now there's a towel. Okay, so you see the weirdness already. Now there's a towel. Okay, it magically appeared. Okay, you don't need that shot. Open the curtains. I prefer people, again, you can use the big bottles, but those big bottles create sanitary issue questions in my head. I'm sure there's got to be that same question in others. Again, you got no towels. This one, you don't need that shot. Now you show me the towels. Show me the towels in use. Show me the towels in use and get rid of all of these portrait style shots. Don't use that. Take that out. Take that out. Take that out. Take that out. Well, actually, hold on. See, the problem with shots like this is you start to reveal location. And that's the problem I have. There's a better way to take the pool shot without revealing the location, which means you actually have to take the pool shot, not use the pool shots that the apartment community is providing. That's really what's going on here. You can take a pool shot without revealing location, but right now, that's my issue with these shots. You just need to be able to capture those things without it being able to go, oh, I know where this is. Because I promise you, there are people in the Houston area, I think this is where you are, they know where this is. Oh, that's a neat thing. Again, just if you're going to do those, take shots, take your own shots. I like this. Yes, good idea, by the way. I like this. I like this. Yep. Okay, put those, if you're proud of those reviews, put them up further. Second, you've got 54 photos. You so don't need that many. All right. And I haven't seen anybody, you've all talked about Wi-Fi, but nobody's taken any screenshots of their Wi-Fi speed. No one's taken any Uber shots of how much an Uber ride is going to cost to get from point A to point B. Etc., etc., etc. All right. So 6 guests, 1 bedroom. I like this whole travel credit thing. We do that too. It's interesting how many credits you can earn like that. Newly remodeled medical center. Okay, this summary. See, I like this. She's got these stars right here. This is good. It looks somewhat broken up, although once you get down to the other things to note, I promise you, skipping all that. Let's look at your pricing real fast. So we've got, check in. Let's go to May. Let's try the 14th, 71 there. Okay, so let's see if I want to come on. Okay, why is it still 71 on a Friday? Okay, let's go here. Still $71. Okay, I don't understand. I'm curious to know what's going on. Okay, hold on. Get rid of that. I just want to see this date right here. Nope. I want to check in. Okay, something's going on with your pricing. It looks like you're adding a service fee, like a management fee or something later. I just don't understand why so many days in a row are at $71, unless it's super low demand at that particular time. I'm just curious about what date, let me go to July. Oh, hold on. How far out you running your calendar? Interesting. Okay, so if you're using, I don't know what's going on here. Are you shutting this down soon? Why is the calendar so closed? I don't understand what that's about. 6 months is usually fine, especially if you're running the correct type of pricing system. So this is interesting to me that your calendar is so, you're keeping it so tight. I would want to open up that calendar a lot more, for sure. All right, reviews, I get that. Neighborhood, yep, you're doing, okay, again, This right here, boom, I find a way to break that up. No car needed. I'd be careful about saying that. I'm not saying that there is a car needed. I might change it with walk to everywhere. Or, you know, when you tell someone, no, you told me there was no car needed. Oh boy. Anyway, let me look at your house rules, see what we got. Okay, that's tenable for sure. I like it. Extra guests, $12 per day. Guest over 2 extra guests, $12 per day per guest. Okay, so let me go check something here. If I go to 2, it's at 71. I'm at 3. I'm at 4. Okay, so do you see the problem that I'm illustrating right here? Okay, now we get to 5 and it goes up. But so 1, you've got some ambiguity here. Is you've got extra guests at $12 per day per guest over 2 years of age. I think you're missing a revenue opportunity because you're not starting it. It doesn't calculate it until you get to guest number 5. So yeah, I would definitely modify that for sure. I think you're missing some money. You could probably make a little bit more money right there for sure. Hopefully this has been helpful for you guys. We do this for those of you who maybe this was your first time. I don't know. We do this on Tuesdays. My job is to make sure you don't stay stuck. I wanted to help with some listing reviews today simply because people ask for that a lot. Hopefully you were able to learn something from those listing reviews that will assist you in correcting some issues with your own listing. Anyway, with all of that being said, ladies and gentlemen, it's been fun. I mean, I have fun doing this, so that's kind of why I do it. So anyway, it's been fun talking to you guys today. I look forward to talking to you soon. Until next time.